Hashtag size matters. SEMA 2015 Chicago Pneumatics booth. This is the 7722. You've seen this little baby for years. It's nice, it's compact, but being that size matters, we went out and got the 7721. It's 15% smaller, it's lighter, fits in the palm of your hand. You can jam this baby in little places that you never thought you'd get in. And the torque is about the same, it's like a five pound difference. So you know what? When you think size doesn't matter, it really does. Remember, hashtag size matters. Chicago Pneumatics booth, SEMA 2015.